Hey, this is Scott from uBrand Inc. In this video, I'll show you how we set up a store on Facebook. And this is selling our products. We're actually selling digital products here. But if you have products that you can ship, you can also use this platform as well. Now, what you're seeing here is actually the store on Facebook. And we're selling our product Curation Traffic, which is here, which is a WordPress-based content curation platform. And we're also selling Social Quote Traffic, which is a way for you to create pull quotes on WordPress. Great looking pull quotes like this, and then they have shareability as well. So if you're interested in either one of those, you can check out those. Now, the service we're using here is called, I'm not even going to try to say the name, I think it's Ecwid. Weird name, but currently, as I'm recording this video right now, they do offer a free account for 10 products. Unlimited storage, unlimited bandwidth, and 0% transaction fee. And then as you scale up, you can have more products. So depending on your needs, you can actually, it's pretty, it's a decent price, I think, comparatively to other products out there. So let's actually, log in. I'll go to my account. And this is actually loading the control panel. And I wanted to walk through just some of the things I learned when I set up my actual storefront, or our storefront at uBrand Inc. The first thing is they have this process where you kind of go through and create a store. And when you want to create a store, they'll say, do I have a website? They'll ask you, do you have a website or do you not have a website? For Facebook, you want to actually say, yes, I have a website, because otherwise, if I go back here and I say I don't have a website, well, they're going to create a store for you on their platform, but they don't it's not really intuitive. So basically on this first step, create your online store, say, yes, I have a website. You can either say I have a WordPress website or Facebook. So you want to choose Facebook. And then when you go here, whenever you say finish here, for instance, it will go to the previous step. And then all you have to do is use the arrow over and then go to the next step, as you can see at the top. So here you can add products to your store. Now I already have products, but for some odd reason, it doesn't show me my products here. So it's a okay platform. It's just a little annoying that like some of the things like here are my existing products, but it's not, it doesn't give me a good way to go back and edit things. So for instance, I should probably put some description here in this actual product. So let's do that now. I'm going to pause the video. So I'm going to put this here in the descriptions, and I would just copy that from my website. I don't have any categories yet, so I guess I could add categories. And then I'm going to save and close. The Curation Traffic plugin, I'll go back to our website. Obviously you can do all this stuff yourself, and copy this and go to the control panel. So I wasn't able to do this to add the description when I set up the product initially. So I think what you have to do is you have to set up the product and then go to the catalog and then go to each individual product and then actually add the description. So I'll go to Social Quote Traffic here and I will add this to the description. Okay, I wonder what that's going to look like. Well, we'll just save it and see what happens. Save and close. Let's look at the storefront and see whether or not that made it look funny. So there is no real description unless okay, here. So here's the description. So when someone clicks through, that's where the description is. And that looks really ugly. So I actually will go back and edit that. Let me pause the video. Now, one thing you can do here is they do give you the ability to obviously go in here and highlight this and change it, or I could go to the HTML tag and copy that so it's just the raw text and then update it, and you can see there it was just updated. And I will save this, save and close, refresh. So it gives you a lot of, you actually could put a lot of text in there if you wanted to. So if I wanted to put a lot of text there, I could. As you go through all steps, like here, for instance, you can add your products. The next one is verify your local market, so you can set your currency. The next one is you can do shipping. So for instance, we don't need to ship because we're actually a digital products. We're selling digital products, so we don't have shipping set up. Everything is pretty straightforward from there. What you really want to do is just kind of follow each step. And like I said, once you do this, once you say, okay, I want to proceed to the next step and save, it'll take you to the same step, and all you have to do is then push next. So it's not quite intuitive. You would think that it would put you on the next step, but it doesn't do that. Now, in payment options, we're using PayPal. They do have, on PayPal, they have another one. Let's say you want to set up additional options. They do have advanced payments. So for instance, they have PayPal Express checkout. All you have to do is enter your API username, password, and signature. They have Stripe as well as quite a few other ones. So there's a pretty wide array of payment options. And it's relatively simple. Now, once again, you're on the free tool here, so you're not going to get access to a lot of these things. Another thing to mention is that they will load the products. For instance, if you go to the catalog and products, you'll already have products in there. There'll be dummy products. All you have to do is just select this and then delete them or remove them. Same with the categories. I think they give you, no, they don't give any blank categories. No product types. And same with the customers. You can see here we have customers in here, but they're all sample customers. You just go over there and remove them there. And you have to do it one at a time, actually, to remove these customers. So it's a pretty decent platform. It gives you the ability, and if you go to our page here, definitely like us. If you do any type of marketing online, any type of digital marketing, you can like us on Facebook. That's what we share. But you can see this. This is the shop tab right here. So I can go to shop, and then you can see the products. Now, when you select a product, when you add it to the cart, add it to your bag, then you just go to checkout. So I already had social quote traffic in there as well. So it's a really intuitive shopping experience. One of the things I will say, though, is we sell this on our own sites, and we have a membership site where people can download these products. So if they bought a digital product from you, I don't see any integration with like a membership plugin. So for instance, when someone buys something from us on Facebook, we have to manually set up that account. So once we get the notification that they've purchased, we have to manually set up that account in our membership site. That's all. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, or if you're on YouTube, you can definitely leave a comment down below. We'll respond to it. Thanks.